8 best entry-level cashback credit cards that all of you should own in 2026. As a New Year gift to you all, I am giving away Amazon Pay gift cards of up to 500 rupees to everyone who will apply for any credit cards using the link in description. And the best part is the offer is valid forever. So whether you apply this month or in the future, you will definitely get the Amazon Pay gift cards once your card is approved if you apply using my link. So please save this video. Also, today on 1st of January 2026, I am launching my brand new Telegram and WhatsApp community of Anant Wealth, where I'll be connecting one-on-one with you all to share credit card news, exclusive insider info, regular updates on giveaways, exciting discounts, deals, offers, free airport lounge access, and more, which you should not miss. So join the community today, link in description. The next giveaway will be when I cross 20,000 subscribers, and I'm just roughly 3,000 subs away. So please subscribe, and this year let's cross 50,000 together. Let's start the list with SBI Cashback, which I also got very recently, as it is still the GOAT of entry-level cashback credit cards in India in 2026, because irrespective of the online transaction, you will earn flat 5% cashback. So whether it's Flipkart or Amazon, or booking flights and hotels, or any food orders in Swiggy, Zomato, or shopping in Myntra, Nykaa, or any online platform, you will earn 5% cashback without any merchant restriction. For offline transactions, you will earn a flat 1% cashback. I have an Excel sheet where we have made a list of 500 plus merchants. Subscribe and comment SBI list, and I'll share it with you. This list gets updated regularly from the credit card community and has the details of all the merchants that gives 5% cashback and the ones that don't. This card has a cashback limit of 5,000 rupees in a month, both online and offline transactions combined, which means every month you can use this card up to 1 lakh rupees and get 5% cashback and save up to 60,000 rupees in a year, which is great. If you want multiple lesser known tricks and websites to earn additional cashback of up to 18 to 90% using gift cards, then don't miss this cashback hack video where I shared a secret trick to earn cashback even in ineligible transactions like utility bill or insurance payment. SBI Cashback has a 999 rupees yearly fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year. This is a no BS must-have card in your wallet, and if you want to earn 250 rupees Amazon gift cards for free, then apply for the card using the official application link given in the description box below. But please note, if you are applying from your laptop or computer and have ad blocker on, then the link won't open and you won't get the Amazon gift card. So apply from your phone or disable ad blocker before applying. This is applicable for any card you want to apply using my link to get the free Amazon gift card. While the SBI Cashback is best for online purchases, for offline you must have the next card, which is the HSBC Life Plus, as it offers flat 10% cashback up to 1,000 rupees per month in any online and even offline food or grocery related spends like in Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, and spends in any restaurants or even in offline supermarkets like DMart, Reliance, etc. It also gives flat 1.5% unlimited cashback in all other transactions and is a must-have card for food related spends. So make sure to apply for the card from the link in description to earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. This card also offers buy one get one free movie ticket every week up to 250 rupees and also 10% off on any events in Book My Show, which is great for movie and event lovers, plus up to 15% discount on dining across many restaurants in India. Comment HSBC list and I'll share a detailed list of merchants with you where you can check which merchants give 10% cashback and which don't. This card also has 4 complimentary domestic lounge access without any spending criteria and comes with a 999 rupees fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year. If you want to know a hack on how to earn 10% cashback using the HSBC Life Plus credit card even on spends outside grocery or food, then don't miss this whole video where I also shared how to get the card if you're staying outside the serviceable area of HSBC. Up next, we have QE, which is the best Rupay credit card that you can have in 2026 to earn cashback on every scan and pay UPI transactions, which I also use personally. You will get 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card if you apply for the card using the link in description. This virtual card offers flat 1.5% cashback as QEs in scan and pay transactions done from the QE app to any merchants if you don't have Neon membership, and if you have Neon, then the base cashback for scan and pay transactions increases from 1.5% to 2%, and it also has milestone based extra benefits such as 3% cashback for up to 50,000 rupees spent annually, where you will get 1,500 rupees total cashback, and then crossing 1 lakh spends in a year you will get 4% cashback worth 4,000 rupees, and finally spending up to 1.5 lakh rupees in a year year, you will get 5% cashback, maximum of 7,500 rupees. By crossing each of these 3 milestones, you also get 1 domestic lounge access in every step. With Neon, after 1.5 lakh is crossed, cashback rate will be back to 2% with a cap of 1% of your credit limit. The Kiwis you earn can be redeemed directly to your bank account from the Kiwi app for free. To understand more about Kiwi card and whether taking Kiwi Neon membership is worth it or not, watch this video where I shared a detailed breakdown of cashback examples with and without Neon plus a cashback hack. Do you want unlimited lounge access, free shopping, spa or dining at airport worth 1000 rupees fully free during your next trip and also want 20% cashback in all your travel bookings? I'm not kidding. With the Scapia card, it's possible, even though it's a lifetime free Forex card which will help you save thousands of Forex markup fees and GST in every foreign transaction. And if you apply for the card using the link in description, you will earn 1000 Scapia coins for free. This is a must-have card for your foreign trips because of its zero Forex fees plus Scapia airport privileges, which gets unlocked when you spend 10,000 rupees in the previous month in the Visa variant or 15,000 rupees in the Rupay variant. With this card, you get 20% cashback as Scapia coins in all travel bookings in the Scapia app, which is worth 4% effective returns, 10% cashback in any online or offline spends, including insurance premium or utility bill payments done outside Scapia app, which is 2% rewards since 5 Scapia coins is 1 rupee. And it also offers 5% cashback in UPI spends in Rupay variant of Scapia. Watch this video on Scapia to learn more. Up next, we have IndusInd Tiger, which is a very beginner-friendly lifetime free credit card that will give you 8 domestic lounge access in a year, 2 per quarter without any spending criteria, plus 2 international lounge access in a year via Priority Pass, which is awesome. It also offers 1 free Book My Show movie ticket up to 500 rupees every 6 months, which means in a year you can get 1000 rupees worth of free movie tickets. You also get 500 rupees Amazon gift card if you apply for the card using my link in description. So subscribe for more such offers and join the brand new Telegram and WhatsApp community that I'm launching on 1st January 2026. In my Hindi channel, I have compared the IndusInd Tiger and Legend card, which you can check if needed. Just like credit cards, anything related to finance requires responsibility and discipline, and that applies to finding the right platform for your investment. If you are someone who invests in crypto, then let me tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Sun Crypto, which is India's leading FIU compliant crypto exchange with 25 lakh plus active users in India. The best part is, instead of a lump sum investment, you can do a crypto SIP with just 100 rupees investment in 100 plus renowned cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Plus also trade in 550 plus cryptocurrencies in INR and 100 plus in USD. And you can deposit and withdraw in INR with 24/7 customer support and bot trading. If you sign up for Sun Crypto using the link given in the description box, you will get 10% off in broker fees. Disclaimer: crypto is a high risk asset class and may not be suitable for everyone. This content is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as an investment suggestion. Viewer discretion is advised. Up next, Airtel Acess, which is still the best utility card for 2026 in my opinion. Yes, even better than the PhonePe cards, because in PhonePe you get reward points which you need to redeem by calling customer care plus paying a redemption fee, which you can't do alone. Whereas on the Airtel Acess, the cashback you earn in a month gets automatically adjusted in the next month's bill, which is real money and not reward points. Remember to apply for the card using the link in description if you want to earn a free 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card when your card gets approved. This card has a 500 rupees joining fee plus GST, which comes around to be 590 rupees, but you get first year's fee back as 500 rupees Amazon Pay balance as a welcome gift. So when you get the card using the link in description, you get 250 rupees from me and 500 from Acess, so a total of 750 rupees of gift card just by getting the card. So it's worth trying out for 1 year at least. Airtel Acess card offers a flat 25% cashback up to 250 rupees per month on any Airtel recharge like broadband, mobile recharge, etc. and flat 10% cashback up to 250 rupees per month on any utility bill payment like water, gas, electricity, etc. and even other companies' phone recharge like Jio, Vodafone, etc. done only on the Airtel Thanks app. You also get 10% cashback up to 500 rupees per month on Swiggy, Zomato and Big Basket. I use Airtel broadband and Jio number personally, which I recharge using the card and save 500 plus every month with just a 500 rupees yearly investment. This card also has a Rupay variant, and for all other online or offline spends, you get a flat 1% cashback. Finally, 2 HDFC cards that you can take. One is Core and the second is co-branded, starting with HDFC Millennia. This Core HDFC card offers a flat 5% cashback up to 1000 cash points per month on these merchants, but the best feature is this specific HDFC Bank flat discount offers on Amazon or Flipkart sales, where you get flat money off using this card. card. For example, when I bought my iPhone, I got flat 5,000 off using this card. You also get 1% cashback up to 1,000 cash points per month on all other online and offline spends except these transactions. Also, you will get 1,000 rupees worth of gift vouchers on spending 1 lakh and above in each quarter. HDFC Millennia has a 1,000 rupees joining and annual fees which can get waived off if you just spend 1 lakh rupees in a year using this card. Up next, we have Swiggy, which is a co-branded HDFC card that offers flat 10% cashback up to 1,500 rupees per month on every Swiggy purchase. But the best and underrated part of this card is that it offers a flat 5% cashback up to 1,500 rupees per month on thousands of online merchants. Comment Swiggy list and I'll share the whole merchant list with you. It also offers 1% cashback on any other online or offline transaction and a free 3-month Swiggy One membership when you get this card. Swiggy card has a 500 rupees joining and annual fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year with this card. You can also check the detailed comparison between the Swiggy and Millennia card to learn more. Remember to check the terms and conditions of this Amazon gift cards giveaway and apply from the number that is linked to your Aadhaar so that you get the Amazon gift card in the correct account. Do join my brand new Telegram and WhatsApp community and Happy New Year to you all again. This year, help me reach 50,000 subscribers so that I can share more such valuable content with you all. Thank you for watching. I am Anirban and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.